virtual desktops, Alexa skills for students and parents, open source solutions for government, and more. This is The Brief for May 2020. Welcome back to The Brief, a recap of the top cloud stories from Amazon Web Services for government, education, nonprofits, and healthcare. Let's take a look at some stories from the AWS Public Sector blog from May 2020. First, let's get back to basics. Learn about cloud basics and how to simplify your cloud journey through the new resources available on the blog and our new webpage. In the blog post, we outline the basics of the cloud for even the most uninitiated, from types of cloud computing to foundational cloud services. And once you're ready, you can build on those basics through the new Cloud 101 for the Public Sector Resource Hub, featuring no-cost white papers, case studies, webinars, and more. Moving on from the basics, Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service is now available in AWS GovCloud US regions. This means government agencies and organizations in government-regulated industries that use Kubernetes as the standard for orchestrating containers can use Amazon EKS to deploy a managed Kubernetes cluster on AWS. Amazon EKS deeply integrates Kubernetes with AWS to help customers use a broad range of services available in AWS GovCloud US. Learn more on the blog. Computer labs go virtual. In this post, we outline what to think about when you're rapidly deploying a virtual computer lab using Amazon AppStream 2.0. We answer questions like what's the role of your virtual computer lab spaces and how many students will access the virtual computer lab. We also get into more complex questions like how will you authenticate users, or what resources and software applications do the students need. An end-user computing expert walks you through the process and the different paths you can take. For more, check out the blog post and watch the on-demand webinars that include speakers from higher ed and K-12 that have already built their solutions. Now imagine there was a way for governments around the world to easily collaborate and share solutions. AWS launched Open Government Solutions, a way for governments to share code, tooling, data, and approaches that work for them. The resources shared on Open Government Solutions can help government agencies at all levels find solutions that have worked in other governments so that they can accelerate their digital transformation. Using what's worked for others can help government agencies at all levels increase agility and innovation, reduce costs, increase speed, and improve efficiency. Dive into the blog to learn more. Alexa, are there any updates from school? Amazon Alexa can now aggregate information across education skills into one response, creating a faster, streamlined, more convenient way to get the answers to your questions. With these new guides from EdTechs, parents or students can link an account to an Alexa-enabled device or in the Alexa mobile app, and then just ask Alexa a question. All of these guides can be found on the blog. And EdTechs interested in building their own Alexa skill can also check out the Alexa Education Skills API or check out more details on the blog. The AWS Public Sector Summit Online is almost here. During the virtual event, attendees can pick between 5 different session tracks to tailor their learning experience. Tracks include Technical Foundations, Technical Advanced, Spotlight, Management, and Mission Critical Solutions. In the virtual expo hall, attendees can visit the Builders Zone for hands-on labs, the Builders Fair demos, and the Community Zone. Attendees can also virtually visit the Startup Loft or participate in the virtual AWS Deep Racer event. Check out blogs from AWS team members that highlight the upcoming experiences and sessions. Register today for the AWS Public Sector Summit Online happening June 30, 2020. Look above or below this video for links to dive deeper into any of the stories from this episode of The Brief, and stay connected to all of your cloud news on the AWS Public Sector blog. I'm Mike Colson, Technical Engagement Architect at AWS, and those are your top public sector stories from May 2020. Thanks for watching The Brief.